Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3, and I promise you the last one. In Part 2, we had this line that I just nudged her head down, and then I started thinking, I don't know anything about printing, that might not work. So what we can do, let's just move this out of the way. What we're trying to get her to do is have her head sticking out of the yellow box. So what we can do is we can make a duplicate of that yellow box and move it over, and then move it back and have we still want this one. And then what we can do is take a 3-point curve line and go from about anywhere to there and then just get her head in. Now, let's nudge that out of the way, nudge that out of the way, take our virtual segment delete key and delete that, take our smart fill tool. I'm actually going to nudge it down, then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to put it here. Now what's going to happen is when I intersect that, it's going to have her head in it. Well, that's easy enough done, but when we put this back, it'll show you what the difference is. So we're going to grab that shape, and by smart filling, I made a new shape. And then we're going to grab and we're going to intersect, and we got her head now. And I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Now we can get rid of this one and move it over there. And when we add the yellow fill and take away our outline, so select it all and right click, no outline. Now you have that, and you don't have that line, it's all one piece. And it's going to make it look like her head is sticking out of the item. We're going to go ahead and finish the project, even though I've done it a couple of times now. Hold down the shift, grab that, intersect, move it over, grab that, shift select, intersect, move it over, grab this, shift select, intersect. This would be a good hotkey. I guess I'm missing the other one. But then you can move these over. So I'm missing one part, but it doesn't matter. And let's zoom in here. And then when you fill in the yellow, I'm not saying he's going to use yellow, but, and then take away the outline, all of it, it's going to look like her head is sticking out of the yellow box. Kind of a neat effect. I don't really understand why you would use that, but not my call. Hope that helped him. Thank you for watching.